Hello Planet Earth, your space weather news for today. So much is happening. The first thing I want to talk about is, again, Comet 46P Wirtanen. I did a very long report about Wirtanen about a month ago, and since then it is just shining brighter and brighter. Yesterday it passed our sun at the closest distance, and on the 16th of December, which is coming up, it is going to pass our Earth, the closest comet since the 1950s. And in the 1950s it was also the closest comet because it keeps passing us every 5-ish years. On the 16th of December, it passes within 12 million kilometers of Earth, which is super close. It is going to be the closest pass by a comet for us in 2018. This is incredible. Comet Wirtanen's core, or nucleus, is less than 1.2 kilometers wide, which is really small, and it's icy. It's ice. Meanwhile, its cometary atmosphere, or they say coma, is bigger than the planet, in actual sense, is bigger than the planet Jupiter, which is massive. So this tiny little nucleus, which is just about 1.2 kilometers wide, and its cometary atmosphere around it is the size of Jupiter. It also has an iron tail, and due to its situation in space right now, we won't really be able to see much of that tail because the way we're situated right now, it's behind where we can see it. The comet is closest to us on December 16th. It will be 30 times the moon's distance to us, from us. See it, you can go to any dark sky in the southern hemisphere. It's going to be around Orion. So my friends in South Africa, I will find you places to see it, hopefully. And if you go to the Virtual Telescope project online, they will give us a live version on December 17th actually, which I think maybe they'll do like the morning of the 17th or like late evening the 16th. So welcome Wirtanen again. It is so exciting. It's so beautiful. I love that greenish glow, and it's just a really wonderful thing to pass us so close. Yes. Voyager 2 went into interstellar space. I just think something traveling through space for 41 years is absolutely incredible. NASA's Voyager 2 was launched in 1977 and has been traveling since then, and then in this week reached interstellar space. It exited our heliosphere, which is the protective bubble of particles and magnetic fields created by our sun. I mean, it totally left our solar system. It's just out of it. It's not here. Voyager 2 picked up an ever decreasing amount of heliospheric particles, so they knew it was on its way to exit the solar system. Apparently with Voyager 1, they took about a year to confirm that it had exited. Now, unlike Voyager 1, Voyager 2 has a plasma science instrument on it, and what that is going to do is obviously send us this invaluable information that it's going to find, we think, because we literally cannot comprehend what we're doing here. We sent something that took 41 years to get out of our solar system, where we don't know anything about anything. We don't even know anything about anything here. So it's fascinating, and whatever we're gonna get, who knows? So Voyager 1 crossed over in 2012, but without the PLS instrument, and also at a different place and time, or maybe at the same time, if everything is still the same. Voyager 2 also contains the Golden Records. 2 phonograph records that contain images and sounds of life on Earth, creating a time capsule to show extraterrestrial life what life is like for us here on Earth. It contains so many beautiful, fascinating things from our life here. Things such as over 90 minutes of music from music all over the world, spoken greetings in more than 50 languages, scientific and mathematical diagrams, and many more. It also contains a small message from President of the United States of America at the time, Jimmy Carter, which says, "This is a present from a small distant world, a token of our sounds, our science, our images, our music, our thoughts, and our feelings. We hope someday, having solved the problems we have, to join a community of galactic civilizations." Oh, that's nice. Voyager 1 and 2 will both run out of power in the 2020s, so hopefully someone finds them before then and has a wonderful time with our golden records. That's all for today, Planet Earth. Jam-packed. There's still so much to tell. It will come in episodes coming. I hope you find a viewing spot for Comet Wirtanen and or see it online live. I'll definitely post some more about it, but again, it is going to be on December 16th. Have a wonderful day on Planet Earth, and I'll see you tomorrow.